Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be installing the carbon fibre and Alcantara steering wheel trim to my BMW F series. Now if you would have seen in my previous video, I actually upgraded the carbon fibre gear shifter trim and also the gear shifter surround and also the handbrake cable to the Alcantara. Now I have bought all these parts exclusively directly from BMW. Nothing I'm fitting to my F series is the cheap Chinese crap you can find online, which is cheaply made and just sticks on. All mine is coming from BMW from the factory and is real carbon fibre. Now today we're going to be installing this trim right here. This is the BMW Alcantara and carbon fibre steering wheel trim, and if you'll see on the back here, this is not no joke, this is real BMW one directly from BMW, brand new. Now these cost around £300 just for the trim, but I got it on my trade account. Actually, I got all the carbon fibre surround trims for my F series on my trade account for very, very cheap. Therefore I am going to be fitting this to my steering wheel trim, but it will be the same to remove the trim for any trim you guys actually buy for your F series, regardless if it's a BMW one or not. So this video is going to aid and help you be able to remove the trim from your F series steering wheel. So let's get on to the video.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo. When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, so this is the steering wheel and this is the trim we're going to be removing right here. Now you are going to need a Torx 20 to remove the trim bolts as soon as you get the airbag out. To get the airbag out on the steering wheel, you're going to need to locate your pins right up here, which are there, and that's the one out. And then you're going to want to get the other one out as well, which is right there. Now once you've got that out, you're then going to just want to disconnect your airbag, just like that. And then if you can see in here, you've got the Torx 20 bolts, one there, and then you've got one directly behind the steering wheel here, which we're going to be removing. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove all them. And then you're going to go for the one directly beneath here. Then once that one's out as well, which is the smallest black one, the trim should just pop up and out, which we're going to do, just like that. And you can see there, it comes straight off. Now that's off. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your new trim on. So this is the carbon fibre Alcantara one. So you're just going to want to locate it in the same way, just like that. Pop it in and around the trim it goes. Now you're just going to want to reconnect your airbag back up, and I did disconnect the battery before I did any of this, so just bear that in mind. And that's your airbag back up. You want to locate your springs, which are right here, make sure the airbag's straight, and then you just want to click it straight in, and that's your steering wheel trim surround done on your BMW F series. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, I've now upgraded the steering wheel trim on my BMW F series. Now I know a lot of you ain't gonna spend over £200 just for a steering wheel trim. It does sound ridiculous, but you know me, I only like to do things the proper way and original BMW parts only. I am trying to make this a unique F20 in the UK, as many F20s do not come with what I'm about to do to this car. To have this kit, it is very, very expensive, and especially in the USA, to have all the proper carbon trim inside your BMW F series. So I hope this video is going to aid you and help you in actually removing your steering wheel trim on your BMW F series. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.